Do you know of the two blessings we waste according to a Hadith? Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said there are two blessings which many people waste: health and free time. Think about it. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, mentions these two blessings and not any other. The Hadith doesn't mention money as a blessing we waste. It doesn't mention food as a blessing we waste. It doesn't mention family. It doesn't mention profession. It doesn't mention anything else. It just mentions health and free time. In other words, they are the two blessings that we don't appreciate enough, and we may not even see them as blessings, which means we then take them for granted. And that's one of the worst things that we can do. You see, when you take something for granted, it means you expect it to be there all the time. And the reality is your health and your free time will not always be there. They will come to an end. Think about it. How many times in your daily life have you thought, I feel so blessed to have the time that I do to do A, B, and C? Or how many times have you thought, I feel so blessed to have my health? Sadly, we often need to wait until these blessings are taken away from us before we actually do appreciate them. Let's look at free time as a blessing. When you are so busy and you don't even have time to scratch your head, you then wish you had that free time. You wish you had that time to do all the things that you would love to do rather than all the things that you have to do, like the chores that you might need to do. But at that point, it's too late. You don't have free time. No matter what you do, you don't have free time at that point. Time cannot be reversed. It cannot be stopped. It just keeps ticking away, whether you like it or not. And the reality is we all have limited time on this earth. And it is through this limited time that we seek to better our lives for this life and for the afterlife. So utilize your time wisely. It's precious and it will not come back. Time is also an investment for the future. Now think about your health. When you have good health, you feel as though you can do anything. You feel like you can get through anything. You thrive when you have good health. Now remember the last time you got a flu really, really badly. There is so much you wanted to do, but you simply did not have the energy or you were in too much pain to be able to do them. Don't wait for such a moment to appreciate your health. Appreciate your health while you have it, because when you appreciate something, it means it's precious to you. And when something is precious to you, you will not waste it. You will cherish it. You will look after it. So remember the importance of these two blessings in your life. Be conscious that the Prophet mentioned health and free time and not two other blessings. Think about the implications of wasting these two blessings and also identify strategies for what you can do so as not to waste them. I would love to hear in the comments the strategies and tips that you implement as to not waste free time and health in your lives.